Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard leather shoes soft. First, gather your supplies, including a good quality leather conditioner, a soft cloth, and some rubbing alcohol. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your shoes to remove any dirt or dust. Next, take a cotton ball and apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol to the particularly stiff areas of the leather. This helps to relax the fibers, preparing them for the next steps. Once the alcohol has dried, it's time to condition the leather. Apply a generous amount of a high-quality leather conditioner to the entire surface of your shoes. Use a soft cloth to massage the conditioner into the leather with gentle, circular motions. This process deeply moisturizes the material, making it more pliable. For an extra stretch, put on some thick socks and wear the shoes around your home for about 20 to 30 minutes. If certain areas remain stiff, a shoe stretcher can be very effective. Insert it into the shoe and leave it overnight, adjusting as necessary. You can also manually work the leather by gently bending and flexing the shoes with your hands, focusing on the areas that feel tight. When you first start wearing them, keep the sessions short, perhaps 1 to 2 hours, and gradually extend the duration as the leather softens and conforms to your feet. To keep your leather shoes soft and comfortable long-term, regular conditioning is key. Apply conditioner every few weeks or as needed to prevent the leather from drying out and becoming stiff again. Storing your shoes with shoe trees will also help them maintain their shape and prevent creases, extending their life. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.